it's me. So I'm here with this giant, huge bag I got from Temu. Okay, you know I've been talking this site up. I've been loving it. This is $100 worth of stuff from Temu. I'm like, that's a freaking huge bag, okay? Like, $100. Wait until you see what all I got in this bag, okay? So, and I love these plastic bags. They're great for storing stuff. So, here is the first thing. This purse, black, and then, oof. And all the links to everything I got below are going to be below. The prices, most everything here was under 10 bucks. I think there might have been like one or two things that were a little bit more. But yeah, right now my nails, I can't really put this chain on with my nails, but still getting used to them. Like, I'm not used to having not my own nails. So, but this is definitely cute, and it kind of goes with them. Look at that. Okay, and here is another purse. Now, I absolutely adore this purse. This is like, we'll stick that over there, and that over there. Keep the bag separated. Okay, this purse. Big. Lots of pockets. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then, let's see if there's any in the inside. Like, I don't carry a purse a lot, but I like to have pockets when I do. Okay, there's 1, 2. It looks like 2 pockets on the inside too. And then it has this huge long strap. I love long straps. I don't know why. Just love it to go like this. It makes me feel safe for carrying my purse when I have it over both my shoulders. I don't know if you feel that way too, but like, I just love it to just cover me. So, I love this purse. So cute. Okay, let's see. What else do we have in here? You know, I don't even remember the thing I ordered. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh my god. And there's going to be 3 of them in there. So, I have to like, those are for my office. Oh. This is for the junior. Lola's like, no. It's for me. It's a little bandana. But you don't like bandanas. It's for junior. And like, maybe later we'll do like a try on for junior. Oh. A little cute box. It's a mushroom. Again, this is like for my office. I'm still working on it. Maybe we'll do a reveal in the next couple days. Kind of. Like, it changes colors too. How cute is that? Is he outside? Oh, there he is. Let's see. Now, I was a little nervous because, okay, a lot of these places, when you buy a shirt in a size, and then it's like not that size. So I bought 5X, which I'm recently in a 5X. And that was the biggest size they had. But this looks like it will fit. So it looks like they might be true to the 5X, which is always wonderful because I hate playing guessing games. When you buy clothes online from like similar companies. So I was like, you know, we'll try that out and see what their clothes are like, how they fit me. And plus I figured, you know, with tank tops, they're great for my workout videos. And then you can see me, like, if I lose weight, you can see the difference eventually. I could take a picture before and after when it's like hanging off my hips. No. This one's so cute. I love the strappies. And the tie-dye. And it totally looks like it's gonna fit. So that's awesome. So thank you for being true to a 5X, at least with the tank tops. Let's see. Another little box. Oof. Okay, let's see. Little witch kitty. I love black cats. Junior's my black cat. Right, Junior? Even TikTok said you're a cat girl. That was weird. Hi, Lola. What are you doing? I'm trying to find room for everything. There's the third one. Ugh. It won't come out. There we go. I got it. Okay, Lola, thank you. I needed a shower. She just took a drink and then, yeah, she's so cute. Look at this one. It's a little bat kitty. It's a little vampire kitty. That's what it is. It's even got little vampire teeth. I'm not sure if I'm going to put those in the room or my office. They're so cute. I kind of want to see them all the time. Lola. Aw. Hi, Lola. She's like, what are we doing up here? Wish you could see her. She's up in the chair right now. So these are makeup brushes, travel makeup brushes. I can, there we go. They come in this cute little tin. I was like, well, I need brushes. Not that I put on makeup often, but I'm gonna try. And yeah, I got these earrings from them too. I opened them in another video. Look at that. Ah! There we go. So cute and tiny. Just my size, because I don't know how to do all the other makeup, so I just got eye brushes because that's the only thing I really know how to do. And I don't even know how to use half of these, but maybe I'll try to learn soon. And also, so maybe, and I love this little neat little case. I'll put it like that. I'm gonna put this in this, and we'll do these next. Also, I got this eyeshadow palette. So I can't open this. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Will you come open this for me? I'm like, let's see. I'll show it off more in a minute when it's opened. And then I have these lights, like cherry blossom lights. I think this was like $2 or something. And then this awesome little neon mushroom sign. Yeah, I do like cute little mushrooms. The hang up on my wall in the office. I'll have to get that tape off of it. Oh no, that's not tape. Okay, that's part of the design. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. Little rainbow neon sign. Look at that. So super cute. Oh, neighbors, they're wonderful. I can't wait to move far, far away from people. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this open. I might need your help again. Maybe I can figure this out. I don't need to save the box. Ah! These things are such a pain in the butt. There we go. Whew, finally. See, I have a ton of these. I got a long time ago and I used to wear them like all the time. And I just stopped. I like saving the boxes, but I can't do it. Okay. Sorry. And I'm trying to kind of get used to wearing them again. Just because. I know. Okay. There we go. Ooh. Look at these colors. I have never tried this swirly makeup and I totally want to. Because I'm curious to see how it comes out on your eyes. And then these glitters are just amazing. Like, I don't even know. How do you... Let's see. I'm gonna pick a swirly color, the most swirly one here. That one right there. It comes out like a really shiny purpley pink. Whoa. I like that. That's a very beautiful color. And it's soft too. Like it's really, really like satiny on my fingers. I absolutely adore these colors. Like they're pinks, but they're subdued pinks. I'm gonna have to do a video where I put some of this on and do my... Okay, sorry about that. So anyways, they're very subdued pinks, and I think I should do a video where I do my makeup with this palette. It's pretty freaking awesome. I love these colors. They're pretty wild, but at the same time, not too wild. So I could see myself wearing some, like, that one would go really good with this shirt, his whole outfit. So, yeah. So yeah, I got all this for $100. All the info for Temu is in the description box, and I'm gonna pin it to the first comment as well. As soon as I put this video out, I should be putting it out Friday. So, and then Sunday, hopefully, I will have time to try on the clothes and show them off to you and do the makeup. And so you can check it out, see what it looks like. Honestly, so far so good, right? Like, that's amazing. And I think this palette was like $11. So, and there will be a link for this actual palette and everything else in the comment in the description. So, and use my code FAST777. Thank you. And you have a great day. Look out for the normal people.